This video I want to share with you one of my favorite recipe, which is mixed veggies Javanese style. It is completely vegan and tastes so good. Let's get started. Firstly, soak a handful of thin glass noodles into a bowl of lukewarm water. Soak a handful of tofu skin. Let them soften for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare the ingredients. For blended ingredients, you will need 4 cloves of garlic, 4 dried chilies, 2 candy nuts. You can replace it with cashews or almonds. 1 red onion, cut into smaller pieces. Blending. Add a half glass of water and blend them until smooth. Peel a potato and cut it into bite size. Now we need hard tofu. Cut it into cubes. You're gonna need 6 medium-sized green beans, cut obliquely. A square-shaped tempeh, cut into cubes. Our next ingredient is 1 medium-sized carrot. Cut it julienne or bâtonnet. 1 bell pepper, cut into bite size. Now our bite size ingredients are ready. Heat a cup of oil. Stir fry the potato cubes for about 2 minutes on medium heat until they turn golden brown. Using the same oil, stir fry the bite-sized tempeh. Also for about 2 minutes until their color becomes deliciously brownish, like this. Next is to stir fry these cube-shaped tofus. Stir slowly as they are fragile, just for about 1 to 1.5 minutes, and take them off the pan. Now it is time to stir fry the blended ingredients, aka sambal. Keep stirring. If the oil becomes dry, add more oil. Not too much, just about half a cup. Stir fry for around 3 minutes. Then add a cinnamon stick, a star anise, 3 green cardamoms, 4 cloves, and a stalk of bruised lemongrass. Add a glass of water, 2 teaspoons of salt, eight tablespoons of sweet soy sauce, now add 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Add 1 tomato, green beans, carrot, and bell pepper. Mix them well. Add tofu skin and thin glass noodles. or slices of red chili if you like it spicy. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video.